Hi guys! So today's video is going to be another relaxing type of video. I'm going to put on my makeup. I'm going to just chill and do my makeup while we listen to some love songs, you guys. Kasi yung sa BLK Cosmetics makeup ko, parang ang dami nagtanong ano yung mga song na ginamit ko. So I feel like a lot of you are interested in listening to music while I do my makeup. So, alam mo yun, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do my makeup and then we're just going to listen to some songs na newly discovered ko na nagustuhan ko talaga at yun yung i-include ko in this video. And then, pero to make it more fun, the products I'm going to use on my face, everything is locally available or locally made, like Pinoy brands, if you know what I mean. So, pero so kung may na-miss ako or parang may nakalusot na hindi naman Pinoy brand, rest assured na locally available siya. But I'm pretty sure all the products ay Pinoy brands. So, I don't know kung chika pa ako later, but we'll see. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this video and yeah, let's do our makeup.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. 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 She'll never know. Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Traveling in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, oh, when we were younger. I remember a girl, I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, oh, when we were younger.
Hey guys, so we're almost done with the makeup. I'm done with everything except for the lips, and I just want to disturb your listening time. I want to disturb muna just a little bit to talk about why I chose green eyeshadow for today. And that's because I feel like, well, una sa lahat, gusto kong maglaro ng Egyptian palette and detail makeover. Well, detail cosmetics na sila ngayon. I want to play with that palette for today. And the next reason is that I feel like green eyeshadow is one of the eyeshadows that are underrated. Like, this is one of the type of eyeshadows na you can actually wear whatever lip color that you like. Kahit ang lip color babagay dito dai. And I have few choices here that I'm gonna show you guys to like prove to you guys that you can use whatever lip color with this type of eyeshadow, the green eyeshadow. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. This is the final look, and the final lipstick that I chose is from KJM Cosmetics, and this is a number 05. Ayan, oh. So, kasi parang feel ko mag earth tone ng lipstick today and matte, but you can always, you know, like I said, you can always use whatever lip color with this eyeshadow, yung green eyeshadow, aside from brown smoky or silver black smoky eyes. Green eyeshadow is like my next go-to makeup look whenever, you know, I have events and whatnot. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo listening to some new songs, and while watching me do my makeup, and I hope kahit paano I was able to like help you with your makeup game day. Before I go, let me know what you think about this kind of video. You know, yung music lang and I'm just doing my makeup. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!